Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how you can download Token Pocket app. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into our video. So first of all, to do so, all you need to do is simply tap on the Play Store app from your Android device. Once you tap on Play Store, go and tap on the search bar and type in Token Pocket. Once you do so, you will find the Token Pocket Wallet crypto app right over there. So simply tap on the install button, and after you are done with it, it will take some time to get completely downloaded in your device. So once the download process starts and gets completed, now the app will get installed in your device as well. So after the installation process is completed, your Token Pocket app is downloaded in your Android device. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.